Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all hidden modes on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. So let me show you how you can access them. The first thing that I want to show you is the developer options, and what we need to do is open the settings. In the settings you want to scroll all the way down, go to about phone, scroll all the way down once again until you find the build number. Now you want to keep tapping until you see this security menu where you will need to enter your PIN code or any other protective measure that you have included on your smartphone. So in my case it is PIN code. And now we are the developer. We can go back, then go to system, and over here we have developer options. So here you can scroll through many different options in order to customize your smartphone. Now another thing that I want to show you is the hidden code for the phone app. So let's open the keypads, and then we need to enter the following code. So type this code over here, and then end it with the asterisk in order to open the test mode. So let's grant access to these things. And as you can see over here, we have a bunch of different options. We can go to CQA menu mode, where we can test pretty much everything on the smartphone. For instance, we can go to the barcode generate, we can go to battery to find the information about the battery, and so on and so forth. In order to exit this mode, we need to tap exit app and COM server at the bottom. Now let me show you how to get access to the Fastboot mode and the recovery mode. And if you access the recovery mode, you can also go to the safe mode. So let's start by turning off our device. Let's power off. Now once our smartphone is off, in order to open the Fastboot mode, we need to press and hold two buttons, the power button and the volume down button. Now in fact we want to press and hold it until we see the menu over here, these texts. Now we are in the Fastboot mode. In fact, the Fastboot mode allows you to get access to the recovery mode as well. And if you want to open the recovery mode, instead of holding the volume down button, you want to hold the volume up button. And then you will, like I said, access the recovery mode. However, from the Fastboot mode, we can also go to the recovery mode by using the volume buttons until we find the recovery mode. So you can scroll up and down by using the volume buttons, and then confirm by pressing the power button. So right now, as you can see over here, we can go to recovery mode, but in addition to that, we can also simply just power off our smartphone, or we can start. So if you choose power off, we will exit the Fastboot mode, and the smartphone will be off. And if you choose start, then we will just boot into the normal state of our device. So let's actually go to the recovery mode. And in the recovery mode, we also have access to a bunch of different things. Now we need to also wait a little bit to open the recovery mode. There we go. Now over here, let me start by showing you how to quit this mode. If you want to quit it, you have two options. You have reboot system now, which is once again just restarting the device, and you will just start the normal mode. And then if you want to, you can also choose power off. And you can navigate through this mode the same way as before. So use the volume up and down buttons, and confirm by pressing the power button. Now over here we can go back to the Fastboot as well. And if we scroll down, we can find a bunch of different tests that we can perform. So now after that, I'm gonna show you how to get access to the safe mode. I think I have mentioned that you can access the safe mode through the recovery mode. If that was the case, then I actually didn't mean that. In order to open the safe mode, we need to do something else. So the first thing that we need to do is, of course, power on the smartphone. Now after we turn it back on, in order to open the safe mode, we need to open the power and restart options. So you can press and hold the power button, or look, just like I did the last time, we can just press this button over here. So we need to open this, and then we need to press and hold the restart button. So press and hold it until you see this information, reboot to safe mode. And if you press OK, then our device will restart, and we will access the safe mode. And now, as you can see, at the bottom left side of the screen, we can indicate that the phone is now in the safe mode. And in the safe mode, some things are not working, like the widgets. And if you want to exit the safe mode, you need to simply restart your device once again. So let's restart, and by doing so, we will go back to the default mode. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!